number 5.
Right? We will now continue our discussion on branding you and your science with these phenomenal leaders in physiology. I'd like to introduce Dr. Dane Buchanan-Kelly, a Career Development Fellow at the UK Dementia Research Institute Center at Cardiff University. We're also joined by Dr. Mila Patterson, the Senior Product and Brand Manager of Oncology at Abbott. And rounding out our panel, we have Dr. Brian Wilson, a Regional Medical Scientific Director at Merck. Hello and welcome to our amazing panelists. Let's jump right in, guys. How are you?
Doing well.
Doing good. Glad to be here.
What are some of the qualities or the skills that you found necessary to be a good communicator of science?
I think you always need to have, I mean, so many good things just came out of what Stacey was just saying. So, but one of the critical things that you should always have is to be able to work your own brand, as she was saying. So understanding that and working your own particular angle is actually quite critical to being able to properly enunciate and evocate what you're actually trying to say. Because I'm quite a bubbly character. I quite like moving around a lot. I use a lot of hand gestures, I guess. And I think one of the things that I can help to convey to people when I'm talking about my science is the enthusiasm that I have with it. And so if I understand that about myself, I can then utilize it more and more with a focus within the way that I'm actually conveying my information. So I think that's useful to play to your strengths, I suppose.
Absolutely.
So I'd love to chime in on that as well. The first thing I would say is know who your audience is, and really surveying the space. I think that's going to be critical in your strategy that you're going to develop on how you want to communicate whatever it is that you're communicating scientifically. Working as a franchise manager, which is also known as a product manager in industry, you see science communicated in so many different ways, right? So your science is communicated in R&D, from scientist to scientist when you're designing products. And once that product is ready for commercialization,